Hey, Drop Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got some super exciting news to share. After weeks of subtle hints and cryptic teases, Nothing has officially confirmed that their much anticipated flagship, the Nothing Phone 3, is set to launch in July 2025. Now, while they haven't revealed the exact date just yet, we do know it'll fall sometime between July and September, which lines up with what CEO Carl Pei hinted at earlier this year. And if Nothing follows their usual pattern, we can probably expect the full announcement about a month before the actual launch. So the wait? Not too long now. But that's not all. Word on the street is that Nothing might be planning to reveal something else along with the Phone 3. Their brand new over-the-ear headphones. Yes, a second product might be dropping this summer too. So if you're a Nothing fan, there's a lot to get hyped about. Now, let's talk about the phone itself. Officially, Nothing has kept things pretty mysterious. So far, all we've seen are a few blurry teaser images, just enough to spark curiosity. But based on early leaks and expectations, the Phone 3 is likely to feature a smooth, high refresh rate AMOLED display, a triple camera setup on the back, and that cool new, essential key they introduced with the Phone 3a. And of course, they're sticking with that signature transparent design that everyone knows and loves. Under the hood, we're expecting some serious power. Though Nothing hasn't confirmed it yet, there's strong buzz that the Phone 3 could be running the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite chipset. That would be a huge performance upgrade and put this device squarely in the flagship category. Carl Pei also hinted that the phone will use more premium materials this time around, meaning we might get a more polished, high-end finish. Let's be real though, the previous Nothing Phone 2a left some things to be desired. It lacked wireless charging, had a pretty weak vibration motor, and its USB-C port only supported data transfer speeds of up to 480 megabits per second, which is quite slow by today's standards. Plus, the 8 megapixels ultrawide camera had a tiny sensor, which didn't really impress. So the Phone 3 has some big opportunities to level up, and from what we're hearing, Nothing is ready to deliver. As for where the phone will be available, we already know Europe and India are confirmed markets. And here's some good news for US fans. Nothing is also bringing the Phone 3 to the United States, making it a truly global release. Now, let's talk pricing. The Nothing Phone 3 is expected to launch in the UK at around £800. That translates to roughly $899 in the US. Yep, it's the most expensive Nothing phone yet. But with the upgrades in performance, design, and materials, it's clear that Nothing is aiming for the big leagues with this one. So what do you think? Are you excited for the Nothing Phone 3? Does the premium price tag feel worth it for what could be their most powerful and refined device yet? Or are you waiting to see the full specs before making a judgment? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to know what you're thinking. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates. And make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.